In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're going to set up an order tracking experience for your Shopify store using an app from the Shopify App Store. Then make sure your customers can easily find it in your navigation. By the end, you'll have a branded tracking page that looks great and works smoothly. First, head to the Shopify App Store and search for order tracking. You'll see a variety of options with different features and pricing. Popular examples include Parcel Panel and Malomo. Take a moment to skim their listings, check reviews, and compare features like branded tracking pages, carrier coverage, and customization options. If you're unsure, many apps offer a free plan or trial, which is a great way to test before committing. Once you've chosen an app, click to add it to your store and follow the installation prompts. Shopify will ask you to approve permissions so the app can access orders and shipping data. This is standard for tracking apps, as they need that information to display accurate updates for your customers. After approving, most apps launch a quick onboarding flow. If there's a setup wizard, follow it. It usually covers the essentials in just a few clicks. Next, set up your tracking page. Many tracking apps will automatically create a dedicated page for you, complete with a search field where customers can enter their order number or email. If yours includes a drag-and-drop editor, take advantage of it to match your brand. Add your logo, adjust colors and fonts, and customize the page text so it uses your brand voice. Look for options to display estimated delivery dates, carrier statuses, and helpful messages for delayed shipments. If the app provides a preview mode, use it to check the layout on desktop and mobile before publishing. Some apps also let you customize the page URL or add SEO details. Worth doing for a cleaner on-brand link. Finally, make the tracking page easy to find by adding it to your store's navigation. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Navigation. Choose the menu you want, often the main menu for the header or the footer menu for a secondary link. Click Add Menu Item, give it a clear name like Track Your Order, and select the tracking page the app created. Save your changes, then open your storefront to confirm the link appears and loads correctly. That's it. Your customers can now track their orders on a polished, branded page without needing to contact support.